Shit. I wish my GoPro was still recording for that phone call. I just got a call from Jason at the head shop out in Langley there. The head for my Mazda is done. All rebuilt. All new parts are put in it. Nice and refreshed. It's good to go. I asked him what my total was going to be. He said bring him a case of beer. Amazing. That's a good man right there. Looking forward to it. Yeah, this is exciting. Things are happening. Check you guys out in a bit here. Hey guys, how are we doing today? I'm just about to go hop in my truck here, cruise out to Langley so I can pick up my head from Gavac Sons because they gave me a shout yesterday saying that it was all ready for pickup, and my payment's a case of beer. So I'm gonna go grab a case of beer, cruise out to Langley, go get this head and check it out. Let's go grab this case of beer, shall we? Victory. Beer. Payment secure. Sweet. To Langley we go. Alright, finally on the highway. Let's go. Okay, let's go trade beer for work. Where do you want to go? Oh, right there. Thanks a lot, man.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
You too.
Have a great day.
You as well. All right, there we go. Beer for head. Nice. Oh, so stoked. Yeah. Man, that looks good. God, I love new parts. And I love quality shops too. Like I said, guy charged me a case of beer for all this work. Refinished the mounting surface for the head gasket. Put in all my new valves, my springs, my seals, my guides, my retainers, everything. Case of beer. Awesome! Let's get this bad boy home. So I just got back home with my head from the machine shop. Let's go check it out. Here we are. Look at the difference. That looks awesome. We got Supertech keepers, springs. We just got stock new valves with Supertech guides and seals. Been completely refinished. Got a total clean on it. It is ready to rock and get slapped back on. Absolutely amazing. All that work for a case of beer. Gotta love it. Fuck yeah. Hope you all had fun coming along with me on my adventure to go get my head from the machine shop there. My next video will start buttoning back up the components on this motor to get it good to go back in my car. See you guys in the next one.